Hey, good morning. My name is Vince and welcome to my garage. Hey, I'm sorry it's a mess right now. I've got a lot of bags and bins and cabinets. I wish somehow that all of this could just magically disappear. This stuff just doesn't transport itself up into the attic. Check it out. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So I'm back with my attic. Remember all that junk and all that clutter that was down in my garage that I wish would just magically transport itself up into my attic? Well, here it is, neatly stowed away and organized. And when that happened, I noticed there's just a lot of room in my attic. You know, this space used to be just an empty, unusable space, but I was able to transform this space into this nice, workable workshop. And I was able to do that with ease. Let me show you how. How did I magically transport all that stuff that I had down in my garage up here into my attic and then neatly organized and stowed it away, and also created this awesome working space without hurting myself? You know what? I would not be able to do that without the help of this amazing product called Lifteeze. And what Lifteeze is an electronic attic crane that allows you to lift things up and down your attic. Let me show you how it works. It's very simple. Here we have the controller that you can use to really raise or lower the cable, which I'm doing right now. I'm gonna go ahead and lower this cable with the hook at the end down far enough so that we can show you how to transport these bins up into the attic with ease. So we got everything hooked up right now and it's ready to go up into the attic. Make sure you hang on to the cable handle just like this. And whenever you're ready, take your controller and you're ready to go up with this. Come up, clear the space, back down. Oh, there you have it. You can do this with Christmas trees, just any big, large, bulky items that you have. Hey guys, thanks for watching. And remember, don't waste your space. Come find us and let Lifteeze transform your attic. Oh, that was gold.